The Amarelinho house has become a favorite of the office. It's so cool and comfortable that it makes you want to live in this project. The name Amarelinho comes from the tree that exists on the lot. It is a 30 by 15 lot in a condominium in Palmas-TO. Naming the house after the tree was not mere informality, since one of the reasons for choosing the lot was the adult, well-established tree that protects the house from the north/northeast sun that heats our city. Like all of our projects, the house was designed to be as comfortable as possible, always trying to please the residents and respect the climate and terrain. We have a city with a hot climate for most of the year, so we needed plenty of shade and cross-ventilation. In addition to this, the owners wanted an integrated space that allowed views from the entrance to the back of the lot. To meet both objectives, we created several patios interconnected throughout the lot. The front facade is very discreet and minimalist, trying not to steal attention from the tree canopy that covers the entire hidden upper floor. And on the ground floor, the perforated elements bring privacy to the entire ground floor, without blocking ventilation. The big surprise comes when you pass through the access door. It holds the surprise of a very open and integrated interior, between the social area and the leisure area, along with the pool. On the ground floor, there is the entire social area, as well as a guest bedroom, complete bathroom, toilet, and laundry room. On the upper floor, all the intimate bedrooms are located, in a total of 3, and all with a suite, as well as a pantry to assist the upper floor, and the same with a wonderful unprivileged view of the Amarelinho tree. Here's a look at the plan. The cabogo is present in various elements on the facade, thus avoiding hidden and unventilated walls and allowing the entry of light and visibility, part of which is protected by vegetation and ventilation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.